In 2025, many people make troll face videos, but they don't know how they destroy their own YouTube channel. Now you might be wondering why I am saying this. Well, it's because of reused content. I searched this topic but couldn't find any good videos on it. That's why I'm making this video. So let's start the video. I will share with you 2 methods to avoid reused content. The first method is easy, and I found it during my research. It works for some videos, but the second one absolutely works. The second method is somewhat hard and, well, I created. So the first method is to change something in the video. Second by second, I'll show you a reference video. It's easy. Just go to any editing app, import the troll face video, and write what happened in the video. The second method is a bit different. First, watch the reference video.
This man click on the BMW button. Then watch what happened.
For this, you need your troll face video and your own voice. Now go to any editing app and import the troll face video. I used an AI voice for the demo, but you must use your own voice. Now watch the video 1 to 2 times and say what happens in the video. And for more safety, use the first method in the video. Our work is done, but let me give you a bonus point. Don't copy any troll face video. Find a clip and make your own. Tell me which topic you want for the next video in the comments. If you want to monetize your YouTube channel without gaining 1,000 subscribers, then click on this video. See you there. Bye-bye.